Hey everybody, it's Meso. Come on into my kitchen today where we're going to be cooking something great for you and your family while you're sheltering at home. This is a great dish. It's so good. Let's take a look. Um, what do you think about that? This is so good, and as good as it looks, it tastes even better, baby. Let's see what we need to make this dish. A few ingredients. Let's see what we got here. So we have some rice, we have some Knorr chicken bouillon seasoning, we have some cream of chicken soup, some Tony Chashire's Creole seasoning, some garlic, some Old Bay, we have broccoli, and here we have some shrimp that I have cut up. These were large shrimp, but I cut them up. I have here some onion and red bell pepper chopped up. I have over here my cheeses. I have some Queso Cheese and I have some Velveeta. This is one time when Velveeta comes in handy. Here I've already begun to boil some rice. This is some water for my rice. 6 cups of water, 3 cups of rice. When you're cooking rice, whatever amount of rice you use, just double that with your water. It's 2 cups of rice, make it 4 cups of water. I'm getting my rice on because this dish has got rice in it, baby. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of butter down into my bowl, and I'm taking this hot rice that's already cooked and I'm putting it into my bowl. I want to just show you, these were actually medium shrimp. They're 41 to 60 per pound. These were 40 to 45 shrimp in this bag. So I used the entire bag. I'm going to cover these with some Old Bay seasoning. I am so excited about this dish, y'all. It is so good. It's a whole meal in a casserole. Here I have these vegetables. These were the onions and the red bell pepper. I've sauteed them in coconut oil, but you can saute yours in butter or oil or olive oil, whatever you want to saute yours in for a few minutes. I've already done that. I'm getting in my cheeses. I have cubed them up, and I'm going to put in all the cheese. I'm doing this while my rice is still very, very warm because I want to begin to soften my cheese and to let it begin to melt already, still in the mixing process. Now I'm getting in the shrimp. Oh, man. This is so good. This is so filling. It's the perfect meal while you got the family at home, all you're there together, everybody's hungry. Fix this. I've got some steamed broccoli. My broccoli has already been steamed just a few minutes, about 3 minutes in fact, in the microwave. I'm getting this in here. And I'm coming right back with my cream of chicken soup. That's 1 can of cream of chicken soup and 1 can of milk. I filled this same can with milk. Take your spoon and sort of get all the chicken soup down off the can. I've got sour cream, and I'm going to use 2 big serving spoons of sour cream in this. Now, the measurements, I'm going to put all the recipe ingredients in the description box, but it's very forgiving. This is chicken flavored bouillon. This is very forgiving. Your ingredients don't have to be exact. I've got some garlic going in. Now, you know I like garlic. I'm going to put in the amount that I like. You put in how much you like. I'm going to use some Tony Chashire's Creole Seasoning because that's what I like. You're going to like it too, baby. Trust me so. I want to get everything incorporated, everything mixed together well. Oh, we got to have some unity in this bowl. Going to be some unity in this here bowl. Come together. Come together. You know, just looking at this, I'd like to see some more seafood. I like some more shrimp. And I want some more milk in here. So I'm going to add about 1/4 of a cup of milk to mine because I want it to be a little bit more moist. Yeah. I'd like a little bit more seafood. I don't have any more shrimp. Let's see. I put a lot of shrimp in, but I've got some imitation flake style crab meat. I've chopped it up, and I'm gonna just get that right in. Man, when I say broccoli, rice, seafood casserole, I mean it. Oh man. Now, even at this stage, I wish you could smell this. I've got my beautiful dish here, and I've got some vegetable spray. And I'm going to go ahead and spray this dish because I'm ready to start getting this thing cooked up. So I'm already putting in my mixture, my casserole mixture. I have this dish for my family, and I've got some more that I'm cooking for somebody else. And I'm going to put this in my other pan. They'll be coming by to pick it up. But this is from my crew, baby. You know, this is economical also. You could use all imitation crab meat if you'd like. You could use all shrimp if you'd like. It's unforgettable. So good. I'm excited, y'all. Can't wait to get this cooked. I want to make it pretty. Not only look good, but taste good. So I'm putting some paprika on the top of this. Not so much taste there, but just looking pretty, y'all. I'm coming back with my 3-cheese blend, and I'm just going to lightly, very lightly, put a little of that on the top. Just bringing it all together, baby. I've got some parsley, and I'm going to keep on making this girl pretty. I'm getting some parsley down on top. And it goes into my preheated 350-degree oven. I'm going to let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes or until it's golden brown and bubbly. You can tell when it's ready. Let's take a look. Get it out now. I wish you could smell my kitchen. The aroma that is permeating from this dish is unreal. Oh my God. They're already making their way to the kitchen. Oh, y'all knew it. Man, they want to know when they're going to eat. But they're going to be eating shortly because this is a meal in this bowl. I don't need a whole lot of else with it. But before they get in here, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead right here in this corner. I'm going to get me just a little bit out. And Meso's going to taste it. Want to make sure that it tastes good. Want to make sure it's deserving of my family. Man, look, y'all, look. Oh, you can bite that one if you want to. I'll let you have it. Oh man, look at there. Yes, and more yes. It is so good. Let me go ahead and get some of this goodness on a plate. Because these folk got to eat, y'all. Oh, looky, Miss Cookie. Look at that. Just want to show you how this looks on my plate and how it's going to look on your plate. Bread, get back out of the way. Let me add this casserole, broccoli, rice, and seafood casserole. Look at there. Look, y'all. Oh, man. Yeah. Get into it, baby. This is the way to go. You sheltering at home? Now you could use chicken in this. Get creative. Oh, just a little bit more. Whew. I don't know how I do it, but I do it every time. This is a hit. Oh, I'm coming back and get you. Oh. Oh my. Guys, I kid you not. This is so good. You gotta try this. And I gotta quit eating. I gotta finish up, get off camera so I can. Oh man. Come on, guys. Can you smell it? Can you just taste it? Make it. This is a winner. This is a keeper. Gonna make you a kitchen rock star. Thank you for coming by to see me today, because you knew Meso would be throwing down. If you like my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll know every time that I put up a new video. Share my videos to help me out. Wherever you're active on social media, share my videos. Give me a big old thumbs up and don't forget to leave me a comment, because I love hearing from you guys. I just want to ask you, with all that's going on in the world today, don't forget to show somebody love, show somebody kindness. And everything that's going on, don't worry, it's going to be all right. Walk in peace, walk in love, and don't forget to pray. Bye-bye.